Now you can tell by how I'm getting it in that the flow out the glow like throwing the wind. Eddie XO got these hoes ready to bend. They back cause they think that can give me the spin. Some again think I'm tricking my ends cause it's M.O.B. The high poetry, stick the rings, I stick veins, spit flames, shit is off of the change, we ain't the same. I done lost my mind a long time ago. Hot with the ramino, fall like dominoes, sex, drug, rock and roll, let it go lock and low. Nigga, I've been doing this, tired of the bullshit, tired of the average, young past savage, half black bastard, master rapper, rapping sheet catastrophe, heat can last a week. You got questions, don't be asking me, cause then I bust, my niggas run, then you rest in peace. Yes, I'm with the global syndicate, it's the end of this, past ignorant, I'm drunk, nigga, belligerent, ride with the monster, kill fucking monsters. That's my nigga, that's my nigga. Young D, Young D, Young D, let's go to started that, yo, Global Syndicate, Exhibit, Young D, DJ Majesty, Low Key to AOSC, Blue No Kids, repping all day, hit it.
When's this one gonna bust?
Yeah, it's warming up. Yeah, that's warming up. It's warming up.
Yo, that's fire. That's fire. That's fire. That's
Don't liquor?
It does.
Yo, throw that West Coast bang.